I am taking a ride on this nice sunny but cold day. I have the day off from work, and I figured I'd go get lunch at Hawksmoor, a steakhouse that is a UK chain that's imported here to the US about a year ago. Their first location just off of Park Avenue in the 20s. It's a beautiful location. I've been there before. Soon after they opened, I went with my buddy. Tried the ribeye, really liked it. A few other things were great. This place has great desserts. But their marketing folks invited me in for a comp meal. To take some photos of their lunch items, which they're starting to promote now that they started opening up for lunch. So in exchange for taking some photos and posting some stuff on Instagram, I get a free meal. And I managed to convince the cake dealer to come meet me for lunch. So yeah, I wasn't too happy with the way the head mount worked on my full face helmet. The audio kind of sucked. I'm basically just going up Park Avenue to 22nd Street. Still on the Lower East Side right now, as you can tell. Yeah, these smokestacks over here with the steam coming out, very picturesque. I got to come back here with my camera and try to get some footage of the bike in front of the smoke things. Yeah, maybe set up a tripod or something. So I'll have a few steak related video rides for you in the next coming days. Got another steakhouse meal tomorrow night, so maybe I'll ride up there and talk about the place. I don't know why I slow down there. There's never any traffic. I can just rip through that red light every time. But it's always better to be safe, I guess. It's a holiday week. Thursday is Thanksgiving. Right now it's Monday. So the streets of New York are a little bit empty. A little less crowded than normal. A lot of people, if they can work from home, they do so this week. Or they take off, like I did. They take the day off. They go out, see their family. I like riding in the neighborhoods this time of year because it's empty. It's cold, so there's less people on bikes too. Fingertips is definitely catching a chill. It's like 34, 35 degrees. We've had a big cold snap. It's crazy. Like last weekend we had 70-degree weather, and then now we're in 30s. It was really like the flip of a switch. We are now in winter. Crazy. glad we had one nice big group ride though with the gang, the NYC Zoos Club. Even if we got open container tickets for drinking, it was kind of worth it to have that beautiful day for one last group ride for the season. Almost there. It's on 22nd Street. I just got to take a quick right. Here it is. Now I just got to find a place to lock this baby up and wait for the cake dealer to arrive. I'll see you all on the inside.
It just means that on my application it says having national necessary.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I'm gonna come follow you around the corner. Slide in. I'm going next to you.
Why?
Give me one more scoop in there. Kind of looks like a butthole. It's like a reverse pooping. Cheers. So that shit was pretty good. They gave us a set menu, you know, because of what they're offering now for lunch. I really liked the dry aged rump steak. It had a good texture and flavor to it. In the US we call that a sirloin, but in the UK they call it rump, so they kept that name when they opened up shop here. Jump out to my review page, johnnyprimesteaks.com, read the full review. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. As always, tell your friends and tell your fucking grandma.